Hello everyone. Today we are going to explore a hidden gem in the heart of Ajijic, Mexico. Get ready to fall in love with this charming apartment in the exclusive community of San Juan de las Colinas. Located in Upper Ajijic, this one-bedroom, one-bathroom apartment is perfect for those looking for comfort and privacy for the long term. With 24-hour security, this gated community offers you tranquility and a relaxed lifestyle just minutes from downtown Ajijic. The interior is bright and cozy, perfect for relaxing after a day exploring Ajijic. The covered terrace just off the bedroom is ideal for enjoying a cup of coffee in the morning or a glass of wine at sunset. The exterior of this property is simply charming. Imagine enjoying this beautiful garden with a relaxing fountain and a mini pool to cool off on hot days. It also has a private storage area for your convenience and a solar water heater with gas backup. Located in one of Ajijic's most sought-after communities, this apartment combines security, charm, and functionality. You'll be close to shops, restaurants, and all the amenities Ajijic has to offer. If you are looking for a quiet and safe place to call home in Ajijic, look no further. Contact us for more information and to schedule a visit. See you next time.